Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you guys like the ears? Or the pom-poms, whatever these are? So now that Thanksgiving is over, it's Christmas time. It's time for Christmas. And I'm so excited. It's noon. I'm eating cookies and drinking lemonade. So I just really want to turn myself into a candy cane.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
I'm just gonna go in with my ColourPop concealer in medium 20, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. You can use a white base or a face paint if you have it. White would be preferred because you're turning yourself into a candy cane, but I don't have face paint, I don't have a white concealer or white foundation, so I'm just gonna do the lightest that I have, which is my concealer. What are your guys' favorite Christmas movies? Let me know, because I love Christmas movies and I always watch the same ones every single year. I need some new ones, if there are any new ones. Then I'm going in with NYX's white base, and I'm just going to take my finger, go for it, and highlight under my eyes where I normally would. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go in and set my face with Coty Airspun. I'm really gonna go ham. I'm gonna take it down my shirt. Yeah, I'm gonna take it down my shirt. I'm gonna take it down my neck. I just blew powder all over my cookies. This is why I don't eat when I do my makeup. First things first, Amaryllis. First things first, I'm gonna go in with this red. I'm just going to put this in my crease and kind of wing it out. You'll see. Going to do some glitter liner. I just got this palette from Black Friday and oh my goodness, aren't these just beautiful? So this is from Beauty Creations, which I have like 3 or 4 other palettes from them and they're amazing. I got this at a discount and I think this was like $4. Actually, no, I'm lying. This was 15. Wait, was it? I honestly don't remember. But the packaging is just... Look at that. It's holographic. Oh, man. I'm gonna go in with the closest color that I have to red. I can't really tell because I have my flash on right now and it's blinding me, but if I remember correctly, this is the red one. Okay, there we go. We have a cute little wing. Okay, so now I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to take this red lipstick from NYX. This is in Amsterdam, and I'm going to do my brows with this. Now I'm going to go in and set with that same red eyeshadow that we were using in the crease. Then I'm just going to blush my face. Also, I got this contour palette from Beauty Creations, and it's gorgeous. I mean, these highlight shades are so creamy. I mean, wow. Like, yes, please. You do have to blend it just a little bit because it is a little powdery but like in a good way. I'm gonna go in with the lightest bronze shade, just literally just like a touch of the darkest because it's cool toned and I like a little bit of a cooler tone bronzer. And I'm not gonna go too heavy, I just want like right here to be contoured. Going in with the white shade from my Soph X Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm just gonna tap some right here. It's coming together. I'm getting excited. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and do some freckles. Okay, while my I can't talk today. Okay, while my lashes while my lash is dry, I'm going to create a whole new lip. Ooh, cute. I don't know why this is so funny to me, but it is. It's cracking me up. Okay. Bro, what is wrong with me? Ooh, I like how this is coming out. Ooh. Lashes. I almost forgot to put my lashes on. Ooh. I was worried these were going to be too natural for this, but I think it actually works. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Bruh, I have to put my wig on.
Should I do some baking?
No thanks. Okay guys, so this is the final vlog. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I'm so happy with how it came out. Okay, I know in the beginning I said I was turning myself into a candy cane, but it just didn't turn out that way. And honestly, I think this is way better than what I was thinking in my head. So I'm really happy with how this came out. Oh, she's cute or whatever. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button. Show that love. Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!